Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to know about the smart locks and security on OPPO mobile phone. Okay, so friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been move on it, here you just search on for the smart lock. Okay, so I search for the smart lock and here it has came. Just move on it. After you have been move on it, the third option is the smart lock. So just move on the smart lock and here confirm your password. Okay, after that, here you are going to find this on body detection, trusted places, trusted devices. Okay, so if you want to check this the trusted places, you can check like this. Okay, suppose I click on the no thanks and here is the add trusted places. You can add your trusted places. Okay, see here is the add option, so you can add from here from the Google. Okay, just name that place that you want to add and click on add. It will be added. Okay, and here is the on body detection. Tap to turn on. Okay, if you want to turn on, just click on just click like this and here it will be turned on. Okay, this is the body detection. And if you want to off, no, just click on this. This is the trusted devices. You can add it. Okay, if you are trusted in another device, you can add here. Okay, so here is the about the smart lock security. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.